So hi guys, my name is Seth and you're here on my channel, and today I'm gonna do a makeup which I watched from James Charles season's finale of Instant Influencer. So the makeup that I'm going to do today is a trend that I got from Harpers Bazar, which is a neon makeup. So I chose this makeup because my life is as bright as neon. And it's gonna get brighter, guys, because I have my phone fixed at Huawei Service Center. And now that my phone is fixed, let me show you around podium. So while waiting for my phone at Podium Ortigas, I roam around and noticed that some restaurants are already open. There are Panda and Grabman to deliver food to your house, but you can also have a takeout. And here are some places that are closed at Podium.
Magkano haircut dito? Ay, baby chibi. Ah! Hi.
And while waiting for my phone, let's go back to my makeup. I'm now going to put my eyeshadow. And during this COVID season, I was able to order some stuff from Shopee, like this makeup. So here is Serene to show you that's this set of makeup that I bought from Shopee. It has a set of eyeshadows, bright eyeshadows, a set of foundations, and a set of blush on. It's all pink in different shades, and a set of lipsticks. It has orange tint, red tint, and bright pink tint, and it also has a set of brushes on it. And this one is a hair blower. during COVID, I was also able to continue studying my German language, kept myself healthy by eating ginataan and putting on masks. And as you can notice, most shops are closed during the COVID-19.
Baby, I'm ready to go. And looked outside.
I-vlog natin to. Ano ba ito? Amoy kare-kare. Anong garage mo kare-kare? Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Meron tayong pa-ketchup ni Mayor. Del Monte. That's Del Monte Kitchenomics. Barbecue beef mix. At pag ganun parang may isip. Kaya nalito ng piyakay. Chef Chimes. Wow! Bakulot yang Shanghai. Ako na yung bacon, kanila. Kaya kayo na sa Oh no, it's COVID-19. Symptoms are cough and colds, diarrhea, headache, fever, muscle pain, joint pains. Okay guys, if you have 2 or 3 of these symptoms, you must go to the hospital, level 2 and 3 to have your self-test for COVID. Now I also had my self-test and I am negative for COVID-19. And now that the COVID has been lifted, or the quarantine has been lifted, I was able to fix my phone at Huawei Service Center. So we're going to Antipolo today. Huh? Yeah, I'm vlogging. You want to be? Hi, Mambet. Hi. Very cute. Hello guys. Today, ayan guys, we're here at Napsinig 3 p.m. at Bulaluhan. But we're not gonna eat it. We're going to Africa. Just want to show you guys where we at. And we're actually beyond junction. I don't know if this is still possible. Hindi.
Okay guys, we're here at Golden Country. Thailand pa. Hey nga pala, I'm here. Para sa kanyang kabay.
And here's another one that I bought from Shopee. It is a sewing machine.
Bili mo na si Ma'am Bet ng pagkain. At tubig. Uy, medyo madilim. Mag-bike na ako pabalik. Kaya't nakandito na ako sa Antipolo. Kaya palating ako. Hinulugan tak-tak poles guys. Walang patao-tao. Gusto ko pandiretso yun eh, para makawita ng mas quiet place ako meron. Pero dahil ayun guys, survival of the fittest. Survive naman tayo, nakarating tayo ng Antipolo. Ngayon babalik na tayo pa uwi. Kaya na nakabike. So, siguro mga 2 o 3 oras din kasi puro pahinga. Puro pahinga at lakad. Okay. Ay,
Now, let's continue on to my makeup. And after 3 hours of roaming around Podium, I went to Huawei Service Center after 3 hours. And I already had my phone. They fixed it. They fixed everything. And I'm glad because it looks as good as new. And it's actually more affordable than having it repaired to a repair center. I only paid 1,280 pesos because it's not part of my warranty. They changed the LCD and my battery. On a repair center, they would have charged me 2,500 or 3,500. And in Huawei, they replaced my LCD, my battery, and now it looks as good as new. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Here is my phone. Keep safe during COVID season, and bye.